Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for visiting with me. Today I have an unboxing video for you, although I just finished filming the declutter washi tape video and I had to use the box to store the washi tape that I was going to do in the giveaway. So I don't have the box, so I guess technically it's not an unboxing, but you guys get the deal. You know what I'm trying to say. It's still an unboxing, I guess. So anyways, I recently received the Elle Studio Traveler's Notebook Kit, and I wanted to show you because I don't know if this is you guys. I know I'm kind of going on a rant. I'm so sorry. If you don't want to listen, I'll put the time markers where I actually start showing the unboxing. But I feel like I'm either two different types of people. I am the one that, let's say we make a trip to the mountains and that event is like big, that I take like 100 pictures. And that is like my scrapbooking pictures. And then there's days where we go to, I don't know, like let's say a show, or no, because I scrapbook for shows too, like when we went to the circus and when we went to like live shows and things like that. I tend to take a lot of pictures. But there's like maybe when I went to the fair, I only took like a couple pictures, maybe 10. Then those are the types that I want to start separating. So the smaller amount of pictures are going to be in Traveler's Notebook, or like single events, or maybe like a single event mini album instead of a full 12 by 12 scrapbook. Does that make sense? And I feel like I just need to get better organized, and I've been wanting to do a better job documenting 2019 in Traveler's Notebooks for those smaller events. We don't, I've talked about this before. I don't do Project Life because I don't document every week. I am driven by events that we perform or that we go to as a family. So like I said, those bigger events that are like so many pictures, those are going to be scrapbook. And normally I come up with like 3 or 4 scrapbook pages for those events. But I feel like this year I want to document more smaller events in Traveler's Notebook. So I subscribed to this kit, and it's my first time. So I hope that it's not wasteful. I don't want to be wasteful. So I just need to put into action what I'm saying and committing to actually doing that, because I don't want another year to go by and I'm still years behind. You know what I mean? So anyways, enough with the rant, because I just went on and on and on. Okay, so for this kit, it is inspired by Valentine's Day, and I have no idea what comes with this, because like I said, this is my first time receiving it. So I have a few, I'm gonna set these here. I have, and they're single-sided, so I am going to just start laying them down here. These are 3 by 4 journaling cards. How gorgeous are these colors? And whatever leftover I have, I will also be using for that Traveler's Notebook that I told you I have to do for someone because they requested it, and they plan to give it as a gift to their significant other. So whatever leftover I have, I will be using or try to implement that for them as well. I also received a few, I think these are stickers, of 4 by 6. They're also single-sided. 2, that's it for that. 2 of little die cuts. Of course, the color match with the collection. I also received the Happy Heart stamp set. Super cute. And again, this is something that you could use. I feel like this stamp is something that you could use throughout the year. You know, like you could use the hearts throughout the year. So super excited to play with that. And then I think this is another journaling card. And then just some puffy stickers. So that's it for this kit. I'm gonna move it to the side. I also have another kit. This is by Studio Calico. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Let me put that together over here. And when I subscribed to this Traveler's Notebook kit, they had an offer for a mystery kit for $5, and this is what I got. But you guys, I'm already kind of impressed that they gave you this little Ziploc bag, because you could use this like for travel. I know that's kind of random, but I was like, oh my gosh, you could totally reuse these bags. I didn't know that these kits came like this. So this one was the mystery kit. This is for March 2016. So I guess it's just items that didn't sell. And this is, again, from Studio Calico. And this is just some little die cuts that are tags, really. You could just separate them. This is, I guess, a little specialty 3x4. Yeah, it's like a specialty paper 3x4 note card, and some puffy alphabet stickers, some puffy stars and circles, a stamp set, I don't know the name, Hello Forever, and then this is just puffy words like today, hello, good day, I think. I don't know. Let's just take it apart. I haven't really opened these. But this one said, oh, they're made out of like rubber. So this one says today, yes, and good vibes. So 3 words. I haven't used anything like this in my scrapbook layouts or in my TN layouts. I got this that honestly, I don't know why I would get this without the letters, but I'm sure it could be used for something. Listen, as I go along on these subscription, you guys, I have a box here. I know that you guys don't see it because it sits in the garage, and I never really have talked about it, but I have a box that sits in my garage, and that's where I throw, well, I don't really throw it to destroy it, but I throw things in there that I know I either don't like or I'm not going to use, and I pass it along to you guys. So if I see something that it's like, okay, that's not gonna work for me, I am gonna put it there, and then eventually when it gets to a decent amount where I could send it in a small box or in a small package, then I just send it to, I say crafty friends, but I met all of you guys through YouTube, so it's really like my subscribers are the ones that get these boxes. Isn't it just random? Sometimes I don't even let them know until the box arrives to their house. So keep that in mind, because this one's like 2016. So I just have that, and then of course you have a few of the 4x6, and then these ones are double-sided, so I'm just gonna flip through one. Let's see, just flip through. Like I said, this is a mystery kit, so I wasn't expecting much. I only paid $5 for it. But some of these I could definitely use, and some of them I could definitely pass along. I recently did a declutter of these, and it was something, I tell you that. Okay, and then I got, I guess this is a sticker. Is it a sticker or is it a specialty? Oh, it's a specialty 4x6 card. So add that in here on the side. And then I have the actual kit. And this is my first time getting a kit from them as well. So I have no idea what it entails, but this is for August 2018, I'm assuming. So for this kit, it is a little bit more pricey, but you do get a pre-made traveler's notebook. So how cool is that? I'm excited to play, but honestly, I feel like you don't need this. You guys know I make my own anyways, so, which actually I'm gonna be making some of my own here really soon for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I know I just kind of did a crappy job flipping through it, but look how cute this traveler's notebook is. So this comes with that. This comes with that. This little stamp set that has a tag, and then Seeker of Magic. You get a, oh, I should have not ripped it. This little bag. You have a few sheets of these labels, and then you have stickers on this one. Just today is the day, and little banners basically. So 2 sheets of that. You have, what are these, stickers, I think? Is it, yeah, transparent stickers. That's what it is. So just a few of these. You have a small roll of masking tape in here, and then you have a lot of cutouts or ephemera, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it, just a bunch of cutouts. How cute is that banner? Flags. Yeah, just a bunch of little cutouts. How cute are those? And that is going to be it for this kit, you guys. I do want to show you a few more things that I recently picked up, and my gosh, you guys, I went to Michael's, and I guess this is a new line that's there. I have no idea. Maybe I'm late to the news. I honestly just happened to randomly like stop at Michael's. I wasn't even intending to, but I'm like, oh, let's go see. My daughter needed like a drawing, sketching notebook, and I noticed that they were buy one get one 50% off. So I was like, oh, let's make a stop to get it for you, you know. But it wasn't like planned. I was already out doing other errands, and I saw this, and I was like, how cute is this? Look at this. Is by Shine Sticker Studio. This is, I don't know if you guys know, but a mom and daughter team that designed this, and look how cute they are. So these are just pockets, and I thought they would be perfect. My daughter was with me, of course, and she actually asked for the spares, but I think I am going to include this one in one of the layouts for her traveler's notebook. If you guys remember, you guys are going to see the layouts throughout the year because it's going to be a continuing work in progress, but I am actually documenting the full 2019 for my daughter and making a traveler's notebook for her that all it entails is her and the things we did for 2019. So I thought that these would be perfect as a little pocket for a layout. And that's the reason, or the justification, what brings me to my next purchase, which is this little stamp set right here that was $5. A bit expensive, I think. Maybe Michael's will have a sale, or if this is the only thing you're buying, then you could use your 40% coupon. But you guys know, when we go to Michael's, we usually walk out with more than what we wanted. So I first saw these and I was like, these are perfect for a layout that I wanted to do for her and document her picture. So I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, like I could totally use the little stamp sets to create a layout. And then I saw the pockets and I was like, well, I can actually use that as well. So these two are going to be used for that. Super excited to play with this. And my daughter was like, Mom, I need those stamp sets when you're done. Can I keep them? And I'm pretty sure she's going to be the owner of them once I'm done playing around. She actually asked for these as well, because I was like, well, I'm going to take at least one. I wanted to use the unicorn one, maybe the donut one, because it's super cute. I'll probably sneak that one for myself. But she actually requested the other ones so that she could include them in her regular journal notebooks. So I was like, yeah. And she's like, you know, maybe in a book or something. So yeah, so she's super excited to receive this once I'm done doing what I need to do. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is this small order that I placed with the Ton Stamp Company. This is, what is the name of this one? I have no idea. Don't they normally, oh yeah, it's called Boken Burst Round. And obviously because of the circles. So when I first saw this stamp set, guys, I imagine this being like glittery and confetti and then putting a picture in the center. And not only that, but I don't really have like circle stamps. And these are kind of shapes that you could keep forever and use them throughout again and again and again. So this is why do I always justify my purchase to you guys? But that was my intent when I got this one. This one came a little bit late, but guys, this one came a little bit late because I wanted to use positive words of affirmation for my memory deck swap. And as you guys can see, I've already been done with that. But this one just has super encouraging girl power kind of sentiments. This one is called Get a Girl and it's just words of affirmation. So I thought they would be useful and something that I could keep throughout the years. This one right here was like a splurge. I really didn't need to buy this, but I fell in love with the sentiment that says, you are my today and all of my tomorrows. And then beauty can be found in all of life's moments. And then of course the flowers. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my little unboxing, aka haul. I don't know. I didn't really have an unbox. A box unboxing. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.